Hi peeps and welcome back to CRACH. Today we are going to start a new edition of a new kind of videos. Teach me cosplay senpai. And I would say let's go straight to our first senpai. Summon the senpai now! Thanks for joining me, senpai.
And thank you for inviting me.
I would say introduce yourself. Who are you? What do you do?
Well, I'm known online as Nobbletops Cosplay, but my real name is Clara. I've been cosplaying for about 4 to 5 years, but I've been on a hiatus for about 1 year.
Oh.
My last cosplay was a Mercy cosplay, which I'm quite proud of and from which I've learned a lot. And I'm trying to teach the things that I've taught myself to CRACH here.
I'm gonna learn something today, peeps. It's gonna happen. We are going to try to teach me to do cosplay. It's happening. I've been recording cosplayers. I've been meeting cosplayers. Now I will be one of you.
You will join us, yes.
One of us. One of us. One of us. So I would say, without waiting, let's go to the cosplay room. So for my cosplay I was planning to make the cosplay of Eraserhead from My Hero Academia, and for that I was planning to make the scarf first with Clara. So for that we needed to learn how to use this machine to sew the scarf, because I have zero experience with a machine like this. So yeah, she took a lot of time for me to teach how to work with this machine. Even the whole preparation, how you prepare this machine is quite impressive. And yeah, it was quite a big surprise how to use it. And yeah, the moment that I did start to use it, it was actually quite okay, but it's more like the preparation and the patience that you need to have to work with this. So yeah, I am actually really happy with the result of the scarf of Eraserhead. I think it looks really cool. The idea that we had was that it was actually gonna be able to move on its own and not just be a scarf. So that's why we did use a metal cable to be inside of that scarf. So that's what we are doing right now, is to cut out the tissue that we had to put a metal bendable bar inside of the scarf, so you were able to move it for pictures and stuff like that. So yeah, quite exciting. Clara did show me how the machine did work, and after that, with a lot of stress, it was my turn to use it. She was showing me how to take care of the material and how to sew it together. And I gotta be honest, I was quite stressed because yeah, it took us quite a while to cut it perfectly, and yeah, if I would mess it up one time I would be like, damn. Am I doing good, senpai?
You are.
Nice! Senpai recognized me! Yay!
Pretty glorious, right?
We did an amazing job.
Yes.
Peeps, I really love it. The scarf looks amazing, right? I am so happy with the first part of my Eraserhead cosplay. Clara, you are freaking amazing. Thank you for teaching me this. I am able to use the machine that we were able to lend from family. So.
And he did all this by himself. I helped him a little bit, but he did it all himself.
Well,
he's a real pro now.
Yes. I'm not a pro, but I'm really happy that you taught me, because by myself it would have never happened.
Maybe we should explain how we made it.
Oh, how did I do this again? So first of all, we got like a metal bar that is like flexible. Ooh.
Just put it in there.
Yes. And then we sew the whole thing multiple times. We turn it around. What else did we do?
That's mostly it, actually.
I know it sounds quite simple, but of little details to be able to do it right and fine and be patient and take your time. But the result is amazing.
Yeah, in the end you got there. Like,
We got there.
I told this multiple times, but as a cosplayer you need to be patient. Patience is everything.
I know.
Mm-hmm.
You taught me well. I am a patient person now. Ooh.
Of course you are.
The next part that we are going to do for this cosplay will be the glasses of Eraserhead, but that's gonna be with another person.
Not me.
I know Clara will definitely be able to teach me how to do that, but I think that it's more fun that every episode we are going to invite another cosplayer to do this with together. So I want to thank Clara one more time for doing this together with me. You were amazing.
Welcome.
I had a lot of fun. Peeps, go watch her Instagram, Facebook. The links are gonna be down below. Her cosplay is just amazing. She's actually one of the first cosplayers that I ever met, and
Oh,
it has been...
he's seen me back in the day at my worst, at some cosplays that I'm really not proud of, but
I was proud of her. She did amazing, and that was like one of the starts for me to go to conventions and go record cosplayers. I didn't record you back then because I was too shy and I didn't have a camera. Which convention will be the next one you're going to?
I'll be going to Facts, that is in like 2 weeks I think. Yeah.
2 weeks.
And I'll be going with my second version of Mercy.
Ooh.
So I will have to change some elements that I wasn't quite happy with, but now I really like them.
A cosplayer is never happy with their cosplay. They keep upgrading it, right?
Yeah, the curse of being a perfectionist.
But I am still happy with this. It looks quite cool. So let me know, please, what do you think? I know it doesn't look like much right now because it's still not the whole costume, but trust me, she did great. I tried to be great, and it's gonna be great.
Yes.
One day. So I hope that you peeps did enjoy watching this video. If you did and you want to see more, definitely let us know down below. And yeah, I hope to see you next time. Clara, I also hope to see you at Facts.
Yes, you'll absolutely see me.
Okay. So yes, she's Clara, I am Crash, and we are going out. Do you wanna do the thingy?
Let's go.
You can do the thingy.
Goodbye!
Bye bye! Bye!